this hiking place. We are gonna go half of the mountains. Today it's a hiking place, but
You keep saying, we're going to Boshan.
oh yeah, the Boshan. And after hiking in the Boshan, you're gonna take a shower. It's,
Natural
gonna-
shower.
Yeah. There somewhere. Hello.
Tanu.
And look at the stairs. Mountain also has stairs. Yeah, these stairs are like old. You have to put the hand on it. Very old stairs. Oh, look, that's where we get water.
Huh.
Oh, there's only one way to get up. Oh,
Okay. Pacak tulis ni aga. Bisa. Careful down now, eh?
if you are pregnant, you want to an unbelievable ride. This is a flat area.
Hmm.
They're already making something. No. We have more steps to go.
Janu. Janu.
These are very beautiful. Oh, there's also farms here. There's everything here in Nepal. You should really go to Nepal. You should really go to Nepal because there's farms, there's a lot of beautiful flowers, there's a lot of houses. Oh, you will like Nepal. You will also speak different languages. Nepal has everything. And they also have big doors. Big cities. I think those are cities. They're cool. And there's also, look, we're probably gonna go all the way on top or all the way on bottom until we get tired. We'll try to go all the way on top, because then we could see the whole view.
चटी बोल हो चटी बोल खाना बोल चटी बिस्तारै हो होटल भीम ला बिस्तारै हो अब के छ अर्कै तुल्ला बी केयरफुल बिस्तारै Good?
Yeah, I'm good. But try to be safe, because there might be not a lot of oxygen to breathe. So.
No. Not like that.
Huh?
Hit it with your palm.
Yeah, tire?
Hard.
Oh.
The pressure should be exactly on the center.
We're halfway all the way to the mountain, but look at this. There's goats, cows. There's a lot of animals here. And that's why I like this place the most. And I'm gonna be here for 1 month. So that might be good for me, but look, see, an airplane. Yeah, we got on an airplane, then we just drove, and we made it. It took off. I didn't know it would be this beautiful. Oh, I found like a building there.
You'll see a surprise village there. Okay, run. Run now. That's the Boshan village. You see the Boshan village? Not yet? Look at this village.
Look, the farming areas. This is a very big farming area. That's why I like it. And also, there's dogs here, street dogs. That's how we got so much fruits and vegetables. This is a village.
Very colorful house.
Oh, there's also some broken house.
Some
These
old
are-
house.
These are not
Bamboo house.
broken. They're just those factories are really broken. There's even a lot of motorcycles. Not a lot of cars though. There's a lot.
It's a Bungamati and Kona village.
There's also farms there all the way. Awesome place. And this house is very blue.
Hmm?
There's
Baby chicken. Chicks. Come on, rooster. Eh. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Oh, I heard another rooster. Rooster.
Gonga. Gonga.
Try not to fall, rooster. You are.
Gonga, gonga. Come on. Cuckoo. Thank you. No, no. No, no.
They might put 1,000 or more than 1,000. Yes. Huh? Oh look, a dog is following us. to be adopted.
Hmm? Hi, Mr. New Friend. Are you following us? Good. Are you lost? Hmm. Try to pet. He might attack you. You just need to. Don't touch. No, he's afraid. Bye bye. See you, dog.
He's very scared. Oh, I found it. One. Is it like this one?
No.
Oh. It broke.
Yeah, no.
Okay, here at a forest. We're almost there where we want to be.
There's a temple. Champadevi temple. No.
These plants.
Oh, wow.
We're here. I do not know where we are, but I know where we are in the forest. And there's colorful flags, probably beautiful flags.
That's a prayer flag.
Yeah, there's flags. You see there?
Okay. We are, I think, at our own destination. Very close.
Yeah. That's good. Non dà una chiave.
There is the temple. There is the temple.
Are we going to find the temple?
You see the temple over there? We're going there. Besar. बाख्रा
ऊ भेना घर जाने आमै छैन भने ल
That black goat came at me.
Setan. Open the gate.
What?
Slide it.
Oh.
यो चाहिँ चम्पादेवीको के भन्छ होला है चम्पादेवी माथिको र यसमा के फरक छ र
यो पाउको शिर
यो पाउ माथिको शिर This is the foot of the Champadevi Devi. So we'll go sometime on the top of the seal means like a head part. Later someday.
Ring this.
Yeah. Count them 3 times. 3 times. Good.
Wait. I don't know.
I'm just
Oh, no, no. Wonderful.
No. So look.
Yeah.
No, no.
I don't see. Look at that. Straight line. Rubbing. Well, not straight line, but it looks like straight line.
Yeah. No, no.
Wait, is that the White House? No, that's not the White House. Oh, that's not the White House.
सुक्खा बंदरगाह. And मिलना फिर. Raining. break time on the rain time. Walking.
Oh, it's still raining, but we don't care about rain. And also, a leak is gonna come. Is that the leech?
Bistaray ngasih mah, mau ada tuli, laak no, laak bisa tem dah, laak no balance na, slow ngasih, not like that, kena.
I see a slippery.
Take a baby step.
Sorry, we didn't make it all the way to the top. Because
No, we went
Alright.
where we are supposed to. We are not planning to go to there.
And never mind, we already made it to the top. So subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.
Thank you for making a comment on my video.
You're welcome. It must be slippery. Oh, my hands are muddy now.
Don't worry about getting mud.
Lá cái xưa kim mòn
Charger छ, iPhone charger. Now let's go this way. Let's go from this way.
Hello guys.
Be careful, hello. Your shoelace is
Guys.
loose. Shoelace loose dula. You can talk not dayla. What's your name?
I didn't saw stone.
No. And that's what's wrong. Listen, side by side. If you feel slippery, don't step forward. Side by side. Oh, so near. Sit doesn't just run on side by side. So this won't have an maga. Looks like there is no one. Wow, we are lucky again.
Huh?
There's no one. We are the only one. Taking shower here now. I don't actually see him. I see the side by side, not straight. Side by side, Sanu. Yes. Zawahiti, Zawahiti.
Drink this.
You can drink that water too. It's mineral water. Bisa lap taki pala cuma mun muda kami sini lap taki caka. Perfect way, mampel bisari.
And like the body is very cold.
Once you get water in your body, your body will take that temperature and you will be fine.
Oh.
It's only for the first time you feel cold. Slowly, slowly,